guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing fine. On today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 items you should get from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is one of the most cheapest store in the United States. It's dollar. You just pay $1. Everything in the store is $1. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys top favorite items you should get from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is a very good deal. They have good deals. There are some things that are good, there are some things that are not good, but today we're going to be talking about things that are good, things that you should be getting from the Dollar Tree. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm also going to put a link in the description below to everything I'll be talking about today. But without further ado, let's dive into the first item you should be getting from the Dollar Tree is party supplies. Yeah, party supplies is one of the favorite deals you could get from the Dollar Tree. They're all dollars and they're so cheap. Like, you're gonna get the same stuff from other stuff but that they're gonna be more expensive. But the Dollar Tree, they're all $1 and they're all so cheap, and they have good party stuff. They have good like cards, they have good balloons, they have good they have anything for birthday parties. Like, they have a lot of good birthday deals. My birthday is coming, as you guys know, in this month, and I'm just planning to get most of my balloons, my decoration stuff. It's gonna definitely be from Dollar Tree. I might be getting other things from Amazon and other websites, but mostly I'm gonna make sure that I get most of my like party stuff from Dollar Tree, because they really have good deals. And it's same thing that you're gonna get from other places. You're gonna get it on Dollar Tree store for $1, for cheaper than you even expected. So I'm gonna be getting a lot of party stuff from Dollar Tree, and I can tell you guys the good deals. Like, you can see all the things they have for party stuff. They have gift bag, they have balloons, they have any decoration, anything you're going for your birthday, wedding, baby shower, any party stuff. Party stuff is very cheap at the Dollar Tree. And to me, I'm trying to start shopping online. So you guys can see I'm trying to start shopping online on the Dollar Tree website, because I get cash back when I shop online. So I'm gonna be doing that also. But I think Dollar Tree have a good deal when it comes to party stuff. And the next one is going to be school supplies. School supplies is another good deals you can get from Dollar Tree. As a college student, I don't like spending a lot of money on books that I just use for once. So when it comes to books, pencils, anything school supplies, they really have good deals, guys. They have good binders. Like, as a biology major, I get to use a lot of binders. I just go to Dollar Tree, I get different kind of colors of binders, and I just put my notes, my like hangouts. It's like Dollar Tree have good school supplies. That's one thing that I really love. They have books. You know what, if you guys really want me to go to the store in person, because like I said, I shop online, but if you guys would love to see me go in person to show you different deals they have for books, for everything I'll be talking about today, please comment below, and I'll be very happy to go to the store and even show you guys, make a video me going to the store and show you all the good deals they have and what you should buy and what you should not buy. So I'm just making this video telling you guys, and I'm also going to be showing you on the website. But if you guys really want me to go in person in the physical store and show you guys what I'm gonna get, I'm definitely gonna be getting some others, and I'm gonna be showing you guys too. But just let me know if you guys would love to see me go to the store and buy the stuff and show you guys. I'll be very happy to do so. But yeah, school supply is one good deals you can also get from the Dollar Tree. I think they're so cheap, and I think they're good quality. They have pencil, they have pen, they have different stuff for $1, guy. $1, so you're gonna get everything you get from the dollar. And some of them they come in bulk, so like a pencil come in 12. It's so cheap, guys. I don't know, I can tell you guys it's so cheap. School supply is very cheap. And the next one is going to be outdoor toys. So outdoor toys for your children. I'm not gonna recommend indoor toys, but outdoor toys, something that you use outside of the house for your children when you're going to the park, you're going to the beach. Outdoor toys, they have good quality outdoor toys that I'm gonna recommend if you have kids. Getting outdoor toy from the Dollar Tree is $1 anyways. It's cheap, and if you don't like it, you can throw it away. But I'm just saying, like, outdoor toys are very cheap on the Dollar Tree store, and I'm a very big fan of outdoor toys. I think they have good outdoor toys. Like, yeah, it's like, how bad can it be? You know, it's outdoor toy, and you can get good quality stuff, even better stuff on the Dollar Tree store than any other store anyway. So I think outdoor toys are very good value, like good quality value you could get from the Dollar Tree. And the fourth one is going to be candles. Candles are something you can also get from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, candles they are good deals. Like, my friend, the other day, me and my friend went to the Dollar Tree to get some birthday card and get other stuff, and then she decided to buy this pumpkin candles, and they smell so nice. It didn't even smell as if it was from the Dollar Tree. This smells cheap. It smells good. It makes the house smells good. And I was just telling, I was like, wow, this candle smells nice. You can't even tell it's from the Dollar Tree. It's good quality. I'm saying they have good candles. If you find a good quality candles, they have all the big stores also, they also bring their candles to the Dollar Tree. So I can tell you guys they have good candles. Some people say the candles are not good, but the one my friend got the other day, I don't buy candles there, but my housemate literally got a candle from them, and it smells nice. I can tell you guys they're good quality. So getting candles from Dollar Tree, I think, is another thing you can get. And the last stuff is going to be hair accessories, anything that you use for your hair, combs, hairpin, hairband, you know, anything hair stuff. They really have good stuff, guys. Like everything there is $1, and they have good cheap stuff. They have good combs, they have good brush, they have a lot of stuff, guys. I think I'm gonna go to the store and show you guys all the good deals they really have. They have hair stuff, they have hair clips, they have hairband, anything like hair oil. They have different stuff you can use for your hair for good price, guys. Good price. They have hair color. They have, I'm happy because like Dollar Tree is one store that I've like, you can have $10 and you can go to the Dollar Tree and have full basket. Like, I'm not over exaggerating, but they have good stuff. They have good deals. Like, they have, I just love their stuff. I think they really have good stuff. So Dollar Tree is a very good place to get things like this. I'm also gonna have different stuff. Look, like they have different stuff. I can tell you guys like many things you can get from the Dollar Tree. If I'm to tell you guys, because I'm a very big fan of the Dollar Tree, I like something that are cheap. I like to save money, and when it comes to save money and I want to get something, I can just go to the Dollar Tree. I can't buy everything from the Dollar Tree, but I think they have reasonable things, like good prices of things that you can get from the Dollar Tree. And I'm like, yeah, there's different things you can get from the Dollar Tree. So if you guys would love to see me if you guys would love to see me make a video going to the store and showing you guys what you should get, just comment below and I will make that video for you guys. But yeah, these are things you can get from the Dollar Tree. There are other stuff also, but I'm probably going to be making a part 2 of this video. But these are 5 things you should get from the Dollar Tree. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if there's any other video you guys would love to see me do, please comment below and I'll be very, very happy to make that video for you guys, and hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.